This is the sign for here. Okay, the hand shapes are the same and they look like this. All right, fingers together, thumbs alongside. Now we're going to put them down here, palms facing up. Now we're going to do 2 outward circles. 2 or a few, whatever fits. Here. Here. So where is it? Well, it's here. From the side, here. Other side, here. From the front again. All right, let's sign together. Starting from the rest position, sign with me 3 times. Here we go. Here. 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 All right, so hand shapes are pretty basic, right? Like that. Put them down there, palms facing up, couple outward circles. Right. I have seen where it's signed with inward circles. Don't worry about it too much. I've seen it signed both ways. To be consistent in this course, we're going to do outward circles. So that's how I'll sign it every time, okay? So, once again, here. We just talked about and learned the sign for here.